Good afternoon, parents and my dear children. I hope you all are fine. Children, have you said your prayers today? Yes. You don't know that you have to say your prayers every day, okay, without fail. Even your prayers and even also your national anthem, okay. Before you start your study, before you start your video, you have to say your prayers, right? You have said no? Right. Very good. Come on, wish me good afternoon, teacher. Come on, loudly wish. Yes. Good afternoon, children. Okay. Whenever the teacher comes with the video, you have to wish your teacher good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon, teacher. Right? Very good. Now, all of you have done your homework. Last lecture video. What I had given you, children? Yes, I had given you capital F. I have given you capital F, right? And what I had given you homework along with that? I had given you write first letter to the alphabet. I had given you write first letter to the alphabet, right? Yes. Has all of you done? I have got only few messages. Okay, there are only few children who are doing their homework on time. Rest of them are not at all doing. Please, I kindly request parents and my dear children, please complete the homework. All of you, please do the homework and send it to send it to me. Okay, very good. Now today your English teacher is going to start a new topic in English. Okay, new topic in English, that is capital G. That is capital G. Now I want everybody to open your 2 number book. Come on, open your 2 number book, all of you. Yes, book number 2. Book number 2. Come on, book number 2. All of you open. Yes, I want all of you to open to page number 12. Page number 12. Page number 12. Page number 12. Okay, book 2. Okay, to page number 12. Okay, today we are going to do capital G. Capital G. How are you going to write capital G, children? Yes, last video we did capital F and today we are going to do capital G. So capital G, how are you going to write? First you are going to write C. First you are going to write C. Then you will take little up. Put a line down and then dash. Okay, so I'll teach you how to write G. Don't worry, okay, I'll teach you. So, what are the pictures you come to know, children, for G letter? What is the pictures you come to know for G? First of all is G for grapes. G for grapes, right? G for grapes, right? Yes. How many children like grapes, fruit to eat? Come on, raise your hand. Come on, put your hands up. How many children likes grapes? Yes, right? There are many children who like grapes to eat, right? Yes. This is what, children? What you can see this? This is a gate. This is a gate. Where there is a society, where there is a building, there is a gate for the society, right? There is a gate, right? What is this? Who is this? This is an animal. This is a animal and he is a goat. This is a goat. Okay. What does the noise the goat does? Bleat. The goat removes the sound bleat. Okay. The goat bleats. Yes. And what does the goat gives you? Come on, anybody tell me, what does the goat give you? The goat gives us, come on, meat. The goat gives us meat and milk, right? Meat and milk, yes. Yes, the next page is, what you can see this, children? What you can see this? This is a gun. This is a gun, right? And this, a little girl sleeping on the mat. Little girl sleeping on the, yes, it is a mat. Okay, little girl reading the book. She's reading the book, sleeping on the mat and reading the book. Right? Little girl. So G for what comes? G for gun, G for girl, G for goat, G for gate. Right? So today we are going to learn a new topic, that is G. Okay? Yes. So let us revise, children. Let us again revise. What are the pictures? A for apple. A for apple. Okay. A for apple. A for X. A for arrow. Right? B. Capital B. Capital B is for ball, bat and balloon. Right? You have to repeat after me. You have to learn with me. Okay? Yes. Capital C. Cap. Capital C for cat. Capital C for car. Okay? Car. Capital D. Capital D for dog, drum and dice. Right? Yes. After that, capital E. Capital E is for eyes, for ears and what else, children? Egg. Right? Elephant. Right? There are so many things. Now after that is capital F. Capital F, fan. Right? Capital F for fan. Then fish. Capital F for fish. There are many who are eating non-veg, right? Fish, yes. Fan. Then what else? What else, children? F for frog. Frog who lives both on land and in water, right? Yes, frog. And it is mostly seen in the rainy season, right? And frock. Frock. What do girls wear? Frock, right? What do girls wear? Frock. So F for frock, right? And today we are going to learn new topic, that is G. So G for what else picture is you? What else you know? Gun. G for gun, right? G for girl, right? G for goat. G for gate. And the most important is G for grapes. Okay? So don't forget grapes. G for grapes. So I want all of you open your square line book, pencil, eraser. Okay, today we'll write capital G. Come on. I want all of you. Give me 5 minutes. Come on, fast. No making noise. Whenever you sit for the video. Today's date is 2nd September. English new topic is G for grapes. And I have drawn grapes in the side. Okay? Yes, I have drawn grapes in the side. So, I'll teach you how to write G for grapes. Okay? So, you have to write along with me, children. You have to say and write along with me. So, first of all, we will write C. We will write C. Okay? We'll write C. We'll go up. Okay, children? We'll go inside and then we'll come down. Okay? This is capital G. This is capital G. Come on. Again we'll write. First we'll write C. Okay? We'll write C first. Go up. Come down. Okay? Go up. Go inside and then come down. Capital G. This is C, children. C. This is C first. Then we go up. Okay? We go up this way. Come inside and then out. Okay? Yes. I'll show you how to write. You have to carefully see and then write in your book. Okay? Yes. C. This is capital C. First we wrote C. We went up. We went inside and then we brought it out. This is capital G. This is capital G. Come on. Now I'll show you how to write in dots. Okay, in dots. Okay. Capital G. First you write C. First C. You'll go up, go inside and come down. That is capital G. Okay. Now we'll write, come on. First we'll write C. You go up, go inside and come down. This is capital G. Capital G. First you write C, go up, go inside and come down. Capital G. Okay, capital G. Right C, go up, go inside and come down. Capital G. Right C first, go up, go inside and come down. This is capital G. Okay, yes, first we'll write in dots so that you'll understand, and then we'll write on that. This is C. Okay, you go up, come inside and then come down. This is C. You go up, okay, you come inside and then you come down. Understood, children? This is C. The first we write C. You go up, come inside and come down. This is capital G. What are the pictures you come to know for capital G, children? Yes, first of all is G for grapes. G for grapes. Then G for girl. Okay, G for goat. G for gate. And G for gun. Okay, yes. First we write capital C. You go up, come inside and then come down. Okay, this is capital G. Now we write on that. We write on that. Okay, yes. This is C. We go up, come inside and then come out. This is capital G. This is C. Go up, come inside and then come down. Capital G. This is C. Go up, go inside and then come out. Capital G. G for grapes. G for girl. Okay. This is capital C. Go up, come inside and then come down. Capital G. Okay. Yes. Come on. Again we go to the next line. Are you writing, children? With me. Write along with me. Okay. Yes. This is C. Go up, come inside and then come down. Okay. This is C. Go up, come inside and then come down. This is C. Go inside, come down. Okay. This is capital G. Go inside and then come down. Okay. Now we'll write with the on that and we'll say and write. Okay. Whenever we write, we have to say and write. Okay. Yes. So this is C. Go up, go inside and then come down. Capital G. Capital G. Okay. We're writing capital G. Yes. Write C first. Go up. Go up and then go inside. Then come down. Capital G. Okay. Yes. First you write C. Go up. Go inside and then come down. Capital G. Okay. Write C. Capital C. Go up. Go up. Go inside and then come down. Capital G. Okay. I have finished one page. Children, I have finished one page. So I want you to do this homework for only one time. Okay. Remember this. Only one time. Come on, fast. I want you to copy, everybody. Give 5 minutes to copy, then I'll go to the next topic. Come on, fast. Children, have you completed that page? Capital G? Yes. Now you have to take a new page. Remember, you have to do homework only once. Okay? Yes, only once. So, again I have started another topic. That is write A to F. You have to write now A to F, children. Okay? Yes. So, Now you have to write, take a new page and you have to write along with me. A to F. Come on. First what comes? First of all, first letter word which comes? Come on, loudly, say loudly. Yes. Come on, say along with me now. Yes, nobody is saying. Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F. Come on, say again. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we will say and write. Okay? Come on. A. After A what comes? Capital B. Okay? Capital B. After B, capital C. Okay? First capital A. Then capital B. Then capital C. And then it is capital D. Capital D. Come on, say after me. A, B, C, D. Come on, again. A, B, C, D. Next is what? E. Next is E. After E comes capital F. Capital F. So we will write up to F. Okay. G we will take later on. Okay. Because you learned today itself. Come on. So today we are writing A to F. Today we are writing A to F. Okay. Yes. First what comes? Capital A. Capital B. Capital C. Capital D. Capital E. F. Right? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F. Capital. Yes. Children, we have finished one line. A, B, C, D, E and F. Again we go to the second line. Come on, you have to write along with me. Okay. Yes, this is capital A. Okay, this is capital A. After A comes capital B. After capital A comes capital B. Okay, yes, capital, yes, A, B, C, D, E and F. Come on, after B comes capital C. Okay, after D, capital D. After C comes capital D. After D, capital E. And then comes capital F. Capital F. Okay. So today it is new topic. What we wrote before? We wrote capital G. That is only one page. After that we are writing, today we are writing, write A to F. This also you have to write only one page. Okay. Yes. Only one page. Only one time. Okay? Yes, but you have to write this way, children. A, B, C, D, E and F will come down. Okay? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F will come down. Okay? You copy fast. Then I'll end my video. Come on, fast. You have already got two homework, children. Capital G and write A to F one time. One more homework I am giving you. That is book number 1. Okay. Book number 1. You have to go to book number 1 and capital A, B you have to complete. Okay. You have to complete capital A and capital B, which we have not completed. Okay. So you have to complete this page. This page you have to write. This is page number 25. Page number 25. You have to write on this. Okay. You have to write this line. Okay. Here you have to write and this second line. This one page you have to write. One page means only this page. You don't have to write in the notebook. Okay. No writing in the notebook. Write in the long book itself. Those who don't have, those who are in native place, for them it's okay. But those who have the book, kindly write the A, capital B, capital C and send it to me. Okay. These 2 lines, A and your A. Okay. And again B you have to write. Only once. Okay. This is page number 27. Page number 27. Okay, this is page number 27. Here you have to write this line, you have to write capital B. Here also capital B. You have to write only 2 lines. 2 lines capital A, 2 lines capital B, and capital C is in book number 2. Book number 2. Yes. Open your book number 2, children. Come on, open your book number 2 to page number 4. Page number 5, sorry. Page number 5. Come on. Yes, here also you have to write 2 lines. Capital C. Capital C you have to write 2 lines. Okay. Here 1 line and here 1 line. So, what is your homework for today, children? Yes, you have to write capital G 1 page. Right? Write A to F 1 page and A, B, C in the long book. 2 lines. Okay. 2 lines you have to complete in the long book. Okay. Capital A, capital B and capital C. Next letters we will take next video. Okay. Yes. Children, you know that every video I take one child's name who completes the homework and sends it to me. Yes. Today the child's name is Miss Shreya Vishwakarma. Okay. Miss Shreya Vishwakarma. She also completes the homework and sends it to me. So I request all the parents and my dear children, if you like calling up your child's name in the video, those who complete the homework on time. So those who are not completing, not doing the homework, kindly start doing it so that I may take your child's name in the video. Okay. So I Lavina Miss saying goodbye and thank you for my parents and my dear children.